Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring a seriously cool macOS feature that's been around since Mojave, and honestly, it's a game changer. I'm talking about the Remove Background on the Quick Action menu. With just a right click, you can strip the background from any image, no fancy software needed. I've got several pictures lined up to show you how it works, so whether you're cleaning up photos for a project or just messing around, stick with me. Let's dive in and see how this little trick can save you time. So what's this Remove Background thing all about? It's a built-in tool in Finder that lets you isolate the main subject of an image, like a person, a dog, or in my case, some random pics I've got ready, and ditch the background in seconds. Apple rolled this out with macOS Mojave back in 2018, and it's been quietly sitting there ever since, waiting for you to discover it. Why is it awesome? Well, it's fast, it's free, and it runs right on your Mac. No uploading to sketchy websites or downloading extra apps. Plus, it saves your edited image as a PNG with a transparent background, perfect for dropping into presentations, memes, or whatever you're working on. Let's get to it and see it in action. Alright, I've got 3 sets of images to test this on. Portraits of random people, furry animals, and some everyday objects. Let's start with the portraits. I've got a few shots here. Nice, high-quality pics of folks against different backgrounds. I'll highlight them all in Finder, right-click, hover over Quick Actions, and select Remove Background. Give it a second, and there we go. New PNG files pop up with the background zapped. Let me show you the before and after. The isolation of the subjects is pretty decent, especially with good quality images. The focus lands right on the portraits, clean and clear. But here's the catch. If your image has blurry areas, you might get some unpolished cutouts. Zoom in close, and you can see it. Like with this one, the wavy hair's tricky and the edges aren't perfect. Still, for a quick tool, it's solid. Next, let's try the furry animals. I've got some shots of pets. Think cats and dogs with all that fluffy fur. Same process. Highlight them, right-click, Quick Actions, Remove Background. Results are in and, well, it's a mixed bag. If the fur blends into a busy background, the edges can go blurry. Check this one out. The details of the fur are inconsistent, and you can spot leftover artifacts from the background. It's not terrible, but it's not polished either. The tool struggles a bit with those complicated furry outlines, so don't expect miracles here unless your pet's posing against a plain wall. But hey, if you have a not-so-furry dog right here, and the focus is great, you can get a pretty cool outcome. Finally, the objects. I've got a few pics, like a soda can and an Apple logo. Highlight, right-click, Remove Background, here we go. With decent quality images, the cutouts are noticeably better. The soda can had some difficulty determining the subject from the background, but take a look at this Apple logo. The upper part got chopped off. If the quality's off or the edges aren't distinct, it can trip up. Point is, this tool shines when your images are high-res and clear. A blurry or low-quality shot? You're rolling the dice. Across all 3 sets, the key takeaway is this. For outstanding results, start with a crisp, high-quality image. It's not Photoshop, but it's darn close for a built-in feature. Now all you have to do is add them to your favorite presentation app, editing software, or video editing app. And that's it. 3 sets of images, backgrounds removed, all with a right click. This quick action is one of those Mac features that's so simple, you'll wonder how you lived without it. Give it a shot with your own photos and let me know how it goes. Drop a comment below. Did it ace your portraits, or did the furry edges trip it up? I'm curious. If you like this, hit that like button. It helps more people find the video. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.